heard a thump, and his sister just joined him. And they're gonna knock down the bug zapper. I just know it. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Kids? Wow, it is really dirty up there. Yeah, okay. How am I gonna get you guys down? Come here. Oh, this is gonna be incredibly awkward. Then I'm gonna have to get them down, and then I'm gonna have to clean that up. Oh God. I came over here thinking it was just him, and then her head popped out. So I went and got the camera. Yeah, just so cute together. So I cleaned up there. I turned my back, and he went back up there. Don't know what he's doing, as you can see I got rid of all the yuck, but maybe he's getting a tan. I don't know. And oh, or he's finding alive things and planning on breaking our bug zapper. I'd stop him, but he needs to lose interest, otherwise he'll just get back to it. Oh. Yeah, look, you got dirt on your face. I didn't get all the dirt because I'm not that tall. I can't reach everything. Okay, Crawley, no. No, that is not the snack buffet. Down you go. I suppose you should just be grateful your sister didn't decide to join you this time, too. Oh, look, one of the bugs I knocked down when I took him down before. So nice to see. Isn't it just... Okay, after a brief experiment, I learned that when I clap my hands, they don't care. So I took the bug zapper down to here, so when they invariably do knock it, it won't fall as far. And now they're just on top of the small fridge. Best part, I couldn't quite reach the part where newspaper was sitting, so she's probably got a butt full of dirt right now. And they're both looking down at the bug zapper. Goodness only knows what they're planning, aside from jumping. Just because we named you after a demon doesn't mean you have to do demonic things like eating bugs. Oh, she found her way down. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Just as well the bottom bulb is broken. Otherwise, I'd be worried for him. As it is, I couldn't get that bottom tray out to empty it out. Gonna have to try again. She just plopped herself right in. And he's over here next to me. Yeah, an easy vault. And back again. A little bit of problems on the high beam, but nothing insurmountable. Yeah, okay, sweetie, maybe don't. When he came over, he actually walked up to her. They sniffed each other's noses in perfect harmony, and then she growled. At which point he just kept walking and came in here. And he is now lying down, perfectly relaxed, right next to her. And that, boys and girls, is why I can't scold them, because they hear her making these grumbly noises all the time, and they know she's not going to follow through, so my bluff's been called before I've even started. So when they stick their faces in my food bowl and I make a growly noise, they're like, yeah, sure, whatever, feed us. I mean, the number of times I had to re-toss them on the floor when I was eating dinner tonight was ridiculous. Hey, girlie. So Genius climbed outside. Now he's inside the shopping cart. And well, at least his sister's going to join him in there. He's chewing on the bars. Oh, wow. Look at her. She meant to do that.
Of course she did.
Ugh, she got the tie off of it. It's this little metal tie thing I used to fold up the cart because the little plastic that it came with disappeared.